Hi guys, welcome back on Afro Bachelors, and today we're gonna be making groundnut soup, which is called in my local language Nkati Nkwan. I'm a Ghanaian and Ashanti guy. It's called Nkati Nkwan, which is groundnut soup with these very simple ingredients. I have here 4 pieces of garlic. I have 3, let's say, medium sizes of pepper. Then I have a ginger here and 1 onions. And if you look over there, hold on a second, let me show you. I have my meat ready. I will just show you that. So as I was saying, guys, I have my meat here. If you can see, I've washed it very clean. This is a cow foot, the foot of a cow. And I also have here chicken, a normal chicken, the hard one, I think. Yeah, this is the hard one. So I'm gonna be blending my ingredients. Then we will get straight into the cooking. So guys, now that everything is ready inside, I'll be getting a rosemary from my small kitchen garden there. Yeah, I'll be getting rosemary right there. There we go. I'm gonna wash it a little bit because I just love the smell.
And I love it when they are fresh like this. That's why I have it here home. A bit of rosemary inside. It smells nice. Really nice. There we go. Then I'm going to put a little bit on top of the meat. Just love to see green colors. That's all. So now,
We're gonna blend this, then we get started with the cooking. I don't want to disturb you with the noise, so I'm gonna skip this one through. But once it's ready, then I will show you the next process. Okay guys, now that we've blended our onion, garlic, ginger, and a bit of rosemary, I'm gonna pour it on the meat. I'm gonna raise it a bit with water. And I'm gonna adjust it here. Give it a very nice stir. Then now I'll be adding in my salt. All right. So now I'm gonna add in a bit of salt. Sorry. A lot of pepper. Then I will add my Maggi cube. This one is Jumbo Maggi cube. Now I add my Maggi cube. Where I come from, they say kitchen is not a place for men, you know, and I'm trying to prove my people wrong. Let's hope it goes well. Alright, now I'm gonna on my fire and leave it on a medium heat. Then I will leave it to cook by itself for maybe 15 minutes because the meat is very hard. So I'm gonna allow it to cook on a medium low. Then after 15 minutes, I will open it and show you how we are doing. Don't skip through the videos. Stay with me. There we go. And so guys, I heard some of you guys don't even know how to cut fish. So now I have 2 fish big enough. I'm gonna arrange this fish because it will be joining the meat on the fire very soon, just because it's too soft. So you will need to put it very late, maybe about 30 minutes or 20 minutes before your soup is ready. If not, you're gonna lose everything inside the soup. So I'm gonna wash them and make sure that I clean the stuff inside because it's not so cool. So I'm gonna get them off just like this, then they are off. Here we go. Here we go. This one is a bit ice. This, I have to cut it. I have no choice. There we go. Throw these ones away. They are not going anywhere near the soup. Then you wash it. I'll be using it again, so no need to wash it with soap. And now you make sure you wash your fish. When they are about to go inside, I will show you and you will know when. Guys, now let's see how our soup is doing. It's been about 15 minutes. Woo, that's hot. And as you can see, guys, my house is smelling very nice. It has been cooking gently. As you can see, cooking very gently. And I'm gonna leave it for another 5 minutes because the meat is very hard, super hard. It needs time. Ooh. So guys, it's been almost 20 minutes now, and I'm gonna be adding in some tomatoes. I'm gonna be adding in some tomatoes, maybe 2 tablespoons of tomato. Then I will add a little bit more. Gonna give it a stir. And there is no extra water yet. It's still the first water I started with the own blended stuffs. It's still the same water. I haven't adjusted water yet, but I'll be adding water very soon, not now. So now I have my groundnut paste. A lot of people around Europe I think a lot of guys know this because in African shop, this is what we use because we cannot go through the normal process of preparing the groundnut aside. It's a long process if you are home. So we hustlers on the hustle field, this is what we use. And I'm gonna add, I actually have small, so I'm gonna use everything because it's almost finished. This is just about 2.5 tablespoons. I'm gonna add a little water here just to clean it a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. So now what I'm gonna do is leave it to cook for maybe another 8 minutes before I add water, because I want the groundnut and the tomato to cook small before I add the water. If not, you're gonna be feeling the taste of the tomatoes even when the soup is ready. So I give it time, 8 to 10 minutes for it to cook. Then after, we'll be adding water and maybe add in our fish and leave it to go on its own for maybe another 18 minutes. Then our soup is almost ready, an hour and a half. So guys, our soup has been going for the 8 minutes I told you, and as you can see, it's doing good, doing very good. Now we can add in our water. I'll be adding more water. Then now you can add in your fish. It's been cleaned, sliced nicely. Now you can drop in your fish gently. Now that our fish is in, we give it a stir, and you now have to leave it to cook on this medium low for maybe 20 minutes, because this is where you are making the red soup. Once the water goes in, the process has already begun. So you leave it for maybe 20 minutes. Then we will come back once the 20 minutes has passed. Don't skip through, make sure you go with me. So guys, finally our soup is ready, and I'm gonna show you where we are after almost 25 minutes of leaving it. This is the final outcome. Bro, you just need to try this at home. You just need to try this at home. As you can see, just try it at home, bro. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.